Hey there, welcome to another Klasio tutorial video. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to read your tax report in Klasio so you can see exactly what's been collected, from whom, and where. Quick note before we start, Klasio records this data for your reference, but it doesn't file or remit tax on your behalf. So treat this report as your source of truth when it's time to reconcile or file. Let's take a look. From your admin dashboard, expand Reports and click Tax. Set your from and to dates to define the period you want to review. If you only care about one region, narrow it down using the region filter. Once you're ready, click Apply to update the report. At the top, you'll see 4 summary cards for the period you selected. Tax collected shows the total tax charged to students. Taxable amount shows the total order value that tax was calculated on. Transactions shows how many orders included tax, and uncollected shows the value of purchases from regions with no tax rate configured, where tax may have been owed but wasn't charged. Each card also compares against the prior period whenever there's data to compare against. Below the summary cards, the tax collected chart plots how much tax came in day by day across your selected range. This makes it easy to spot spikes or gaps at a glance. Next is the transactions table. It lists every tax-bearing invoice for the period and region you selected, along with the date, invoice number, state, tax name, rate, taxable amount, and tax charged. If you're looking for a specific invoice, just use the search field to jump straight to it. Scroll down and you'll find 3 more breakdowns. By region rolls up the same data by country, so you can see total transactions, taxable amount, and tax collected per region at a glance. Here, by tax name, groups everything. By the tax name you set up when configuring your rates, like sales tax or VAT. This is useful if you're filing under different tax categories. And uncollected and no rate configured list purchases from regions you haven't set a tax rate for yet. Tax may have been legally due here, but it wasn't charged, since Klasio only collects tax where you've configured a rate. If you notice a region showing up here regularly, that's your cue to go add a rate for it. Check out our earlier video on setting up tax rates in Klasio for the full walkthrough. And that's how you can check your tax report in Klasio. If you have any questions, you can comment on this video or reach out to us at support@klasio.com. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.